Okay, so I have really fogged up this bathroom. I turned off the furnace fan. I let the shower run for a while to let some steam build up. And the reason why I did that is because it makes dust particles fall to the ground easier. So it's pretty humid in here right now, and that's a good thing. I prepared the area with some Windex. I cleaned this part really well of the counter, and I'm in the bathroom, which is a pretty low dust area. I have a clean paper towel on hand. I have the Windex one, and I'm gonna go ahead and install this screen protector. It's the Skinomi Tech Glass. I've used Skinomi products, they've always been good. And inside the box, I already took one of them out. It comes with 3, all right? So you can mess up. Here's the installation material here. Let's open this up. It's gonna come with a microfiber cloth, an alcohol pad, which we're not gonna need, and a little squeegee, which I don't think we're gonna need that either. The reason why I say that is because we are going to apply this to a pristine phone, all right? This has never been used, never been, touched, as far as I know. And I really suggest you do that straight off the bat. And, you don't have to worry about anything breaking, because the time it will break is when you don't have the protector. So inside here, it's tempered glass. Oleophobic, so it's going to resist the oils of your hands. Shatterproof and extra hard. And the directions, wash your hands really well. Okay, prepare the area. Really, get all the stuff off. Prepare the area. Make sure it's clean of dirt and debris. We're going to clean the phone off. Even though this says on here, we're going to clean it anyway. We're going to make sure there's no dust. And if there's any still on there, you can use this little stickum, this little sticky thing to pull it off. And I'm going to show you how cool this is, because if this is anything like the one I use for my Nintendo Switch, it's the same product. You're going to see something kind of cool the way it works. It's pretty awesome. So let's get to it. I am going to wash my hands one more time just to be thorough. Alright, dry them really well. Go ahead and give it one more swipe on here. And believe it or not, this cleaning cloth sometimes comes with stuff, so I'm going to just shake it out. Shake it out, shake it out. Go ahead and go over this one more time. You can't have the area clean enough. We're too clean, all right? You never know, some little piece of hair or dust will fly down. So, all right, this looks pretty good. You want to get down on the same level as this thing. Make sure your hands are all free of dust. Pull the screen protector out. You're going to want to line up stuff. This goes here, this cutout goes here, this cutout goes here. And even this thing. All right, I'm going to just take this. Just make sure it's all clean. You're supposed to peel this off. Now there shouldn't be any dust under there, okay? So right before application, I'm going to get this, okay? That sounds silly, but there's dust that can fall in here, all right? So, even a hair right there. It's sort of like surgery, but it pays off. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to peel this off. This might be the hardest part of the entire process. There we go. Set that aside, and I'm going to look from every angle. So something from where I touched, This is looking really great. Because I didn't take it off until just now in a sterile-ish environment. All right. This is the part that really is nerve-wracking, okay? I'm gonna look again. A small particle. All it takes is one little thing landing. You think you got it perfect. All right. Here's the moment of truth. Peeling this thing off. And quickly, without any delay, getting it into place, making sure it is just about perfect. I think this might have a little bit of a lip. Yep, it does. I know this is crazy, painstaking, but it'll pay off. And then drop it. Okay? Pushing the center. Look at that. Look at that. Boom! Look at this thing. It does it on its own. It's nuts. I don't even think I'll need the squeegee. I'm just going to use this thing. Let's see, did I get it lined up? I'm going to call that good enough. Anyway, I've never even turned this phone on. I'm doing it for a friend. And it helped to press the power button. Clear, crystal clear. Anyway, that's how you do it. Buy this stuff, okay? Hopefully you can see me. I'm right here. Buy this, all right? It's the best screen protector that I can think of. Comes with 3. Go for it. It's easy to install, just like that. All right, hey, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in another video. Bye.